Hello, I'm Chris Edmonds of the Purposeful Culture Group. Here's today's Culture Leadership Charge for your thoughtful consideration. Great bosses aren't bossy, and lousy leaders don't lead. It's about service, not about titles. People get hung up on semantics. I've had people say I shouldn't use the word bosses because nobody likes being bossed. I've had people say I should be careful about mixing leadership and managing and supervising terms. It's not about the terminology. It's not about positions or titles. Effective leaders are focused on serving their team members' needs. Great bosses remove employee frustrations regularly. Best bosses set their team members up for success, not failure. I've had terrible bosses who had every leadership certification imaginable. I've had inspiring, amazing bosses that hadn't ever taken a leadership class or read a leadership book. What makes great leaders so great? A few things make my list. Authentic care makes my list. Those leaders genuinely love their team members. They show that care by delegating authority and responsibility to talented, engaged staff. They create flexible work schedules so the demands of elderly parents or young kids in programs are nimbly addressed without guilt. Clear values and behaviors make my list. Those leaders pay as much attention to the quality of human interactions in their team or company as they do to results. Mean, rude, dismissive behavior by anyone is not tolerated by those leaders. Keeping commitments makes my list. Those leaders make and keep their promises. They help their staff make and keep their promises. Performance promises are important. Citizenship, integrity, and teamwork promises are equally important. Holding people accountable for performance and values is a vital skill. What have I missed? What questions do you have? Add your thoughts in the comments section below.